If you have missed watching my previous video on cross multiplication method, I will put link here. Please, you can check that video. In this video, we will discuss equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Today, we will discuss equation reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. See, sometimes the equations given to you might not be linear equations, okay? So, if you take this example, 2 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. If you see this equation, this is not a linear equation, right? So, we need to make this equation a linear equation, okay? So, how do we make this equation a linear equation? See, this equation can be written as 2 of 1 by x minus 4 of 1 by y is equals to minus 2. Correct? Now, we will replace this 1 by x and 1 by y with some variable so that this equation changes to a linear equation, right? So, we will take 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. So, how does this equation changes? 2a minus 4b is equals to minus 2. Correct? So, we are substituting 1 by x to a and 1 by y to b so that we can make a linear equation so that we can solve further. So, whenever they give such type of equations, you need to see what are the ways by which you can substitute variables and you can form a linear equations. Okay. Now, let us do few examples for the equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us see this example. 2 by x plus 3 by y is equals to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equals to minus 2. See, this equation can be written as 2 of 1 by x plus 3 of 1 by y is equals to 13. Okay. And this equation can be written as 5 of 1 by x minus 4 of 1 by y is equals to minus 2. Okay. Now, let us substitute 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. Substitute 1 by x is equals to a and 1 by y is equals to b. How will the equation change? 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. And how will this equation change? 5a minus 4b is equals to minus 2. Okay. So, now we have got pair of linear equations in two variables, right? So, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Correct? Now, we know three methods to solve pair of linear equations in two variables: elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. So, you can use any of the methods to solve these equations. Okay. Now, let us solve them. This is our equation 1 and this is the equation 2. Okay. So, I will be using elimination method to solve these two equations. Okay. So, by using the elimination method, how do we solve these two equations? The coefficients of the variables should be equal. So, are the coefficients of the variables equal to eliminate the variable? No, they are not equal, right? So, we need to make the coefficients of the variables equal. So, here I would like to eliminate b variable. Okay. So, for that we will multiply the first equation with 4 and multiply the second equation with 3. Okay. Multiply equation 1 with 4 and equation 2 with 3. Okay. So, how will the equation changes after multiplying? You will multiply this first equation with 4 and you will multiply the second equation with 3. Okay. So, how will the equation changes? 8a plus 12b is equals to 52. 15a minus 12b is equals to minus 6. I will add them. So, this will anyways get cancelled. This will be 8 plus 15. You will get 23a is equals to 52 minus 6 is 46. Okay. So, from here you will get the a value, which is a is equals to 46 divided by 23. 23 ones, 23 twos are. So, therefore, a is equals to 2. Okay. So, after getting the a value, we will substitute the a value in any one of the equations. Okay. You will substitute a is equals to 2 in equation 2. That will be 5 into 2 minus 4b is equals to minus 2, which is 10 minus 4b is equals to minus 2. So, 10 plus 2 is equals to 4b. You will get 12 is equals to 4b. b is equals to 12 by 4, which is 3. You will get b is equals to 3. Okay. We have got a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. So, we have got a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 3. So, but we have assumed a to be 1 by x and b to be 1 by y. Right. So, what is a? A is 2. Right. 2 is equals to 1 by x. See, if you cross multiply, this will be 2x is equals to 1. X is equals to 1 by 2. Okay. In the same way, b is equals to 3 is equals to 1 by y. So, 3y is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1 by 3. Okay. The value of x is 1 by 2 and the value of y is 1 by 3. Okay, clear? So, how do we do the verification? We will substitute the x and y values in the original equation and see if the equation satisfies on both the sides. Let us substitute 2 by 1 by 2 plus 3 by 1 by 3 is equals to 13. This will become 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is equals to 13, which is 4 plus 9 is equals to 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. which is 13 is equals to 13. So LHS is equals to RHS, right? So here X and Y values are satisfying the equation on both the sides. Now let us see for the next equation. 5 by 1 by 2 minus 4 by 1 by 3 is equals to minus 2. So this becomes 5 into 2 minus 4 into 3, which is minus 2. 10 minus 12 is equals to minus 2. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 is equals to minus 2. This also satisfies. LHS is equals to RHS. Yes. So the X and Y values satisfies both the equations on both the sides, right? Hence verified. Clear? This is the next example we will be solving. 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. So, this can be written as phi of 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, and the next equation 6 of 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay. Now let us replace 1 by x minus 1 and 1 by y minus 2 as a and b. Substitute 1 by x minus 1 to be a, okay, and 1 by y minus 2 to be b. Okay. Now this changes to 5a plus 1b equals to 2. 6a minus 3b equals to 1. This is a pair of linear equations in two variables, right? So this is the equation 1 and this is the equation 2. So this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. From the three methods, elimination method is simple. So I am using elimination method to solve the problem. Okay. If you see equation 1 and 2, A variable coefficients and B variable coefficients, are they equal? No, they are not equal, right? So we will make them equal. To make the coefficients of variable B equal, we will multiply equation 1 with 3. Okay. By elimination method, multiply equation 1 with 3. So we will multiply equation 1 with 3. Okay. So how will the equation change? 15a plus 3b is equals to 6, and the next equation remains same. 6a minus 3b is equals to 1. Then I will add them. So these two will get cancelled. This 2 will get cancelled. This will be 21a is equals to 7. A is equals to 7 by 21, which is A is equals to 1 by 3. So what is the value of A? Value of A is 1 by 3. Now when we got the value of A, we will find the value of B. Substitute A is equals to 1 by 3 in equation 2, which is 6 of 1 by 3 minus 3B is equals to 1. 3 ones, 3 twos are correct. So 2 minus 3B is equals to 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 3B. 1 is equals to 3B. B is equals to 1 by 3. So you got the value for B, which is 1 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 3. B is equals to 1 by 3. Now we have assumed the values, right? A is equals to 1 by x minus 1. B is equals to 1 by y minus 2. Yes? Now replace the value of A with 1 by 3 and B with 1 by 3. Okay? 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by x minus 1. You will cross multiply, which is x minus 1 is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 plus 1. X is equals to 4. Okay. So the value of x is 4. Okay. In the same way, what is the B value? 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by y minus 2. You will cross multiply. Y minus 2 is equals to 3. Y is equals to, see, we are just sending this minus 2 to RHS. Okay. Y is equals to 3 plus 2. You will get y is equals to 5. Okay. So the value of y is 5. So the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. Okay, clear? How do we do the verification? We just substitute the values of x and y in the original equation and see if the equation satisfies on both the sides. Correct? Now let us substitute. 5 divided by x value is 4. 4 minus 1 plus 1 by y is 5. 5 minus 2, which is 2. Here you will get 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is equals to 2. Here you will get LCM is 3, 6. Correct? So 3 ones and 3 twos. So you will get 2 is equals to 2. So LHS is equals to RHS. Right? The equation is satisfying on both the sides. Right? So we will do for the next equation. 6 divided by, what is the x value? 4 minus 1 minus 3 by y value is 5 minus 2 is equals to 1. 6 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 minus 3 by 5 minus 2 is 3 is equals to 1. If you take LCM 3, you can easily subtract. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So 3 ones, correct? 1 is equals to 1. So here also equation satisfies. LHS is equals to RHS. We will solve a word problem. A fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. However, if 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. What is the fraction? So we need to find the fraction. Okay. So we need to find the fraction, right? Fraction has the numerator and the denominator, right? So now let us assume, let the numerator of fraction be x and the denominator of the fraction be y. Okay. A fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and the denominator. Okay. So if you add 1 to numerator and the denominator, the fraction will be equal to 4 by 5. Now let us form the equation. What is the fraction? X by y. If you add 1 to both numerator and denominator. So, x plus 1 and y plus 1. Okay. If you add 1 to both numerator and denominator, so what will be the fraction equal to 4 by 5? So, that will be equal to 4 by 5. From here, do cross multiplication. This will be equal to x plus 1 into 5 is equal to y plus 1 into 4, which is 5x plus 5 is equal to 4y plus 4. So get all x and y terms to one side and constant terms to one side. So 5x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. So this will be the equation 1. Okay. And then if 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be 1 by 2. Okay. So the fraction we have taken is x by y. Right. So when you subtract 5, okay, when you subtract 5 from numerator and denominator, so x minus 5 and y minus 5. What will be the fraction? Fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. Fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. Now again do cross multiplication and then find the equations. This will be x minus 5 into 2 is equals to y minus 5 into 1. 2x minus 10 is equals to y minus 5. 2x minus y is equals to 5. Okay. This is our equation 2. Now we got equation 1 and equation 2. Now by using elimination method, we will solve these two equations. Okay. So this is the equation 1 we have got and this is the equation 2. So we will be using the elimination method because it is simple to solve. So here we will try to eliminate the x variable. Okay. To eliminate the x variable, we will make the coefficients of the x variable equal. To make the coefficients of the x variable equal, we will multiply equation 1 with 2 and we will multiply equation 2 with 5. Okay. So, by elimination method, multiply equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 5. So, how will the equation changes? 10x minus 8y is equals to minus 2. 10x minus 5y is equals to 10. I will subtract it, change the signs. 10x and minus 10x gets cancelled. So This will be minus 3y is equals to minus 27. So minus minus gets cancelled. 3 ones, 3 nines are 27. So what is the y value which we have got? Y is equals to 9. Y value is 9. Substitute y is equals to 9 in equation 2. Okay. So what is equation 2? That is 2x minus y is equals to 5, which is 2x minus 9 is equals to 5. 2x is equals to 5 plus 9. 2x is equals to 14. 2 ones, 2 sevens. So x is equals to 7. So in question they have asked what is the fraction. Fraction x by y will be 7 by 9. Okay. In our next video, we will solve few exercises problems.